Good afternoon. My name is Alteric Bullock, and this is my storage device presentation. The first thing I will be discussing is the similarities between the Windows and the Linux OS systems. Both of them have the capability of organizing files, and they're developed into a higher hierarchical structure where they start from a root and they kind of branch off into a tree, and that represents the different levels. Also, they both have a fundamental root directory from which all of the files and folders each go through their representation, and the context is different. In addition, Windows separates the storage into multiple layers, depending on such factors such as MFA, multi-factor authentication. Also, Linux integrates all of the storage devices and partitions into a single file system and under the unified root directory. As far as file path separators, Windows uses a backslash, Linux uses a / to separate the directories, and they also differ in case sensitivity. Windows names are case insensitive, while Linux files are case sensitive. Directory structure: Windows system files are in the C drive folders, and Linux programs are often used by letters such as USR, BIN, or SBIN, and user home directories are in the home directory. As far as device handling, external devices are assigned drive letters, or they appear as separate logical drives. Linux external drives are treated as special files and mounted within the main file system directory. Businesses prefer one system over the other, depending on factors like existing infrastructure, specific software tools, software needs, desired level of control, cost effectiveness, security requirements, and file availability of the skilled IT staff. Windows is often chosen for its wide software compatibility, while Linux is preferred for its stability, lower overhead, and security to server environments. Windows often provides greater ease of use and compatibility, so that's why more companies mainly prefer Windows based on my research. And as far as from a Christian perspective, ethical considerations for IT storage prioritize stewardship, honesty, and respect for individuals. Even when cost pressures are high, which influences decisions toward secure and responsible data handling. And ethics would guide choices by ensuring data is kept conservative, kept stored securely and efficiently, and making sure that the policies are upheld, and aligning decisions with God's revealed principles rather than mere popularity of financial expediency. And last but not least, ethical considerations would be the stewardship of information, data privacy and confidentiality, data security and integrity, honesty and transparency, respect for persons, data retention and disposal. And the role of ethics would be mainly from a holistic approach, prioritizing people over profit, accountability, and alignment with Christian values. And that would actually end my presentation. Hope you enjoyed it, and thank you.